this question here, product sales analysis. And we have two tables here. That is, the one table is sales table, which have 5 columns. That is sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. And all the column have the same type, that is integer type. Now we have another table, that is product table, and we have 2 columns here, that is product ID and product name. The product ID is integer type and the product name is varchar type. Okay, so write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Return the resulting table in any order. So we don't need to do any ordering here. What we need is the product name from the product table and year and price from the sales table for each sale ID. Okay, so what we can do is that here we can see the product ID is common in both the tables, and the product ID from the product table is the primary key, whereas the product ID from the sales table is working as a foreign key. So what we can do is connect both these tables on the basis of the product P, and then we can get the required columns from the merged table, which we will be getting in the end. So let's give it a try. Select. We will select the columns later, but first let's initialize the table. Select from sales, and we will name this table as S, and join this table, sales table, to the product table. By giving it an alias as P on S dot product ID is equals to P dot product ID. Oh, okay. After that, we have joined both the tables on the basis of the common key, that is the product ID. After that, we can select the required columns from the merged table, that is the product name, which is present in the product table. So we can select P dot product name, comma, year and price columns are present in the sales table. So we can select S dot year, comma, S dot price. Okay, so we have selected these 3 columns. Okay, so output must be product name, year, and price. We have the product name, year, and price from sales table joining the product table on product ID and on S dot product ID and P dot product ID. So let's give it a try. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so let's submit the solution. I hope it gets submitted. Yeah, it's submitted.